This is for 1 dog, and this is for 2 to 3 dogs. I'm now going to show you what's inside the box. Inside the box is a remote transmitter. A little bit difficult to get out at times. Collar receiver and nylon strap which goes around the collar receiver. It's already currently wrapped around. AC wall adapter. Antenna that screws onto the top of the remote transmitter. This is a charging connector that plugs into the bottom of the AC wall adapter. Battery for the remote transmitter. Contact points. Test bulb to test the static function. And then lastly, a owner's manual. When using a training collar, always remember to use it for training and not to leave it constantly on the dog, as these contact points on the receiver can cause injuries like bed sores, or we refer to it as pressure narcosis. So always remember to not use a training collar continuously like a normal dog collar, but just for training. I'm now going to show you how to pair your receiver to your transmitter, and then I'll go over the functions of this unit. So to start, press and hold the power button on the receiver. As you can see, I have a solid green light, and then that light is going to begin to blink like it is there, and then once it does that, press the Y button on your transmitter, and it's now paired. So now that I've paired the unit, I'm going to explain to you the functions of the remote transmitter. This unit in particular, the benefit of it is you can have all 3 stimulations, so tone, vibration, and static shock going off at one time, and then at different levels. It has 3 groups for each dog. Right now we're on dog 3, but if we had other ones, this is how you select the dog. So that'd be dog 2, dog 1, but we're just using dog 3. And every dog has 3 groupings, like I said before. So to set modes, you're gonna want to use this dial here, press the mode button to change your selection, and then go down to 99. This whole group is gonna be at the level of 99. So I press mode again. I'm now selected vibration. It's at 70. Use the dial on the side here, the plus arrow, and go up to 99. Press mode again. Static shock's already there. So now that I'm satisfied with this grouping, and these are the settings that I want, you press the M2 button, and it's now saved. So to switch to the next group, you press M1, which is right here on the left-hand side, and this is all at 50, or at least tone and shock are. So I'm going to press mode, press it again, and then bring the vibration up to 50 as well, because we want it all even, just for demonstration's sake. And now that this is the group that's all at level 50. So I'm pleased with how this is set up. So again, press M2 to save, and your selection is saved. Now the final grouping, press M1 to go to that. So the tone and vibration this time are at 25, but the shock is at 0. So I'm going to press the mode. It already went to the shock. So to adjust that, use the dial on the side and just go up to 25. Once I've reached 25, I'm happy with the selection. Press M2 and it's saved. So now I'm going to press M1 and go up to the first grouping, and then just send the signal from the transmitter to the receiver and just show you guys how it operates. So my test light here to just show the static shock function is working. I'm now going to press the Y button. As you can tell, the vibration is quite loud, and so is the beep, and the shock is extremely bright. So now I'm going to go to M1, go to my second grouping, which is at level 50. And then my final grouping, M1, which is at 25. As you can see, it's not as bright as level 50, and the vibration is a little quieter, and the beep's a little quieter as well. And yeah, that's it for this unit. I'm now going to show you that this unit is waterproof. So what I'm going to do first is put the receiver into the water here, and then just basically activate it. It should function still normally. As you can see, inside the water it's fine. I'm now going to take it out and then just test the static shock function and just show it's still working, even outside of the water. As you can see, everything's still fine even after being in the water. Thanks for purchasing your new dog training system, PET900B. This is for 1 dog, and this is for 2 to 3 dogs. I'm now going to show you what's inside the box. Inside the box is a remote transmitter. A little bit difficult to get out at times. Collar receiver and nylon strap which goes around the collar receiver. It's already currently wrapped around. AC wall adapter,